In this video, we will configure an IHP24 unit and provide a general example of a configuration. From the main menu, select Configure via USB. First, select the regulator type you are using. There are 4 options: pulsing, proportional, software stepping, and mechanical stepping. For this configuration, we select the pulsing regulator type. Next, we select the type of position sensor being used. In this case, we choose the 2 or 4-wire type, which has a separate wire for power and a separate wire for the 4 to 20 mA control signal. We select the actuator type being used. There are 3 options: spring return with a fail position of 0%, spring return with a fail position of 100%, and double acting. The selected actuator type is displayed in the truth table in the top right corner. Finally, you can create a custom truth table where you define the valve function yourself. For the configuration we are doing today, we select the spring return actuator with a fail position of 0%. Lastly, we configure the regulator settings. We select a deadband of 1%, meaning the position is allowed to deviate by 1% in either direction. We choose not to activate hold at open or hold at close. This means that the regulator will continue to open or close when the endpoints are reached. This setting is most commonly used for spring return actuators and helps keep the spring tense. We are now ready to calibrate the positioner. This process takes a few minutes, so we've sped up the footage for this video. The ValConnect software automatically calibrates the valve system. During calibration, the positioner opens and closes the valve to determine the endpoints. It also tests the stay put function by setting the position to 50% and verifying that it remains stable. During calibration, a progress bar is displayed on the IHP24, indicating the progress and the current calibration step. Once calibration is complete, the positioner ensures optimal performance and alignment. The system is now fully calibrated and ready for use. A summary of the configuration and a connection diagram are displayed on the final page. You have 3 options. Save the configuration for use with other IHP24 units. Extract and save the summary as a PDF. Export the configuration to legacy mode, which converts it to the older version of ValConnect. In this case, we choose to save the configuration summary as a PDF for future documentation. The PDF contains the device information, the configuration, a truth table, and finally, a connection diagram for the IHP24.